1994 Buick Park Avenue Ultra, the 3.8 V6 supercharged with 84,000 miles. This is a incredibly rare, great condition 94 Buick Park Avenue. Take a look at this. The two-tone white and gray interior, exterior. The power antenna is working, and it needs 4 tires. The tires are a little older, and we will put 4 new tires on. But take a look at the condition of this vehicle. This is the top of the line Buick in 1994, and inside and outside condition is incredible. Very, very nice car, very nice, preserved, and this is such a comfortable car to drive too. Let's go drive around. All the chrome buttons and the physical buttons, and the 2-zone climate control, and steering wheel control for the stereo. The stereo is getting a little older. This is an electronic product, so the stereo is intermediate, coming in and out. But the car runs and drives excellent. And also the door lock sometimes works, sometimes does, but manually you can open it, lock it. No matter what, this is a 31-year-old car, even though it's in such nice condition, but the electronic stuff do go break or not functioning after 31 years. But overall, it's a great car, and such a rare car from 94 in this kind of condition. This is a ultra supercharged 3.8 V6. Will be on lowmilecars.com. Many functions. This is a great car.